It's important to note that the installation needs to happen inside the console piece by piece so that it will fit underneath the overhanging lip in the front of the console, as well as underneath the rail that has the coin holders in the side. So the next step will be to put it in a console and lock the pieces together. Now we're ready for the installation, and what you'll notice is this console has a lip here and a lip here underneath the change holder that we need to work around, and it has a big empty space underneath that we need to work around. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the long piece and one of the three identical short pieces and lock those together. Just push them together until they bottom out, and then what I want to do is kind of flex and bend them. So take the long piece, put it down in that empty spot underneath the cup holders, and then take this and bend it a little bit, and it goes right in and everything pops into shape. Then once it's in there, make a little adjustment to get everything squared up, and now you have a nice tight fit there. And then what we're going to do is add the remaining two pieces, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put them in there at a bit of an angle, push them down until the slots engage, and then once they're in there it's going to want to snap into position. Push it all the way to the bottom and give it some help, and you've got two in there. And then you're going to go and do the same thing with the third one, where you interlock the two slots and start to push down once they're mated up until you hit the floor, and when you hit the floor then it'll slide underneath the change holder and you'll feel that it's nice and tight, and then you can just align things and you've got a nice tight fit in there. It's tight side to side, tight front to back, and you've got two very large cavities in the front, which are they go all the way underneath the cup holder. And then the other thing that you can do to suit your needs is you can leave the center divider out to make two bigger compartments here for whatever it is that you want to hold. So this is good for the column shift model only from 2004 to 2014.